Trading options on RBC Direct Investing is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Before you can trade options, you need to have an options enabled account. If you don't already have one, you can apply by downloading and completing the options and margin agreement form. Once approved, you'll be able to access options trading features on the RBC Direct Investing platforms. RBC Direct Investing offers 3 platforms for trading options. This is a traditional web-based platform, good for beginners and experienced traders alike. This platform offers advanced features and charting tools suitable for active traders. This app allows you to trade options on the go, but has limited functionality compared to the other platforms. Before placing any trades, it's crucial to research the options you're interested in. Consider factors like the stock, ETF, or other security the option is based on. A call option gives you the right to buy the underlying asset at a certain price by a certain date, while a put option gives you the right to sell, the price at which you can buy or sell the underlying asset with the option, the date by which the option must be exercised. These are measures of an option's sensitivity to various factors like price changes, volatility, and time decay. RBC Direct Investing provides resources like option chains, research reports, and educational materials to help you research your options. Once you've chosen your options, you can place your order through the platform you selected. The process generally involves selecting the underlying asset and option type, choosing the strike price and expiry date, entering the quantity of contracts you want to buy or sell, reviewing the order details, and confirming the trade. After placing your order, it's important to monitor your options positions regularly. Track the price of the underlying asset, the option's price, and the time decay. Be prepared to adjust your position or exit the trade if necessary.